how to set up Cash App for churches. So here's how it works. You want to use your church's email to create a Cash App account. Once you have created a Cash App account, then you will need to go and click on linked banks here. And if your church has a bank account, we will click on link new debit card, and you will either be able to use your church's debit card info here or your church's bank account info. So you will link your bank account along with your church's official email address to the Cash App account. Now, some other things that we need to take care of as well is going to be changing the profile picture. So you can click on this camera icon to provide a picture of your church, and also you can edit the profile here, so you can change the cash tag for your church and also the profile name here, so you can set your church's name. And another thing that we need to do is to change the account to a business type. So this is going to be the most important part. You want to go into support and you will just search for business account. Once you search for business account, you will click on create a Cash App for business account. And in order to do that, you will have to go to your account settings and open the drop down menu. At the top next to your cash tag, you will choose create a business account, and then you will need to provide your business info to verify your business, and there will be a business badge next to your business profile once it has been completed. And those are all of these steps you need to take in order to create a Cash App account for your church. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.